Does AKA want more kids? Is he single? Here's the tea, fam. Is AKA ready to take his shot and be a dad again? Is he really dating Nicole Nyaba? These are just some of the questions keeping people up at night. Luckily the star has been pretty ready with the answers, and when asked about his private life, wasn't shy. So, is Hummy ready to be a Pops 2.0? AKA and his baby mama DJ Zinal are co-parenting at the moment, but the mega told Tumi Marek recently that he would love to have another kid. Yes. I don't know how it is going to happen. I'm just trying to figure out where I want my life to go and what I want out of my life. When the time comes, the time will come. And those rumors he's got another queen? Ever since socialite Nicole Nyaba made an appearance at the rapper's Touch My Blood listening party, there's been whispers the two are joling. AKA didn't spill tea on the claims but said he was single. I am single. I am focused on my work right now. Let me tell you, I have always been the boyfriend type, the relationship type. But now for the first time, I am able to ask myself what I am like without another person. The dude has also been spilling through his music, talking about everything from his ex to his take on love. Speaking to Chwisa Live recently, AKA said that he put his experiences in his music because it made him a better rapper. I think the definition of an artist, to me, is someone who can be vulnerable and honest. They open themselves to anything. At the end of the day, my music has to be a reflection of my life, and it just so happens that my life is under a microscope. He also said the story of the album was so much more than his experiences on love. The biggest story I want to tell with this album is that I came into this industry as a boy and now I am a man,